Hello and welcome to the Comics Cafe in Indiranagar, Bangalore. Today we're excited to showcase our unique paper stationery collection, a perfect blend of creativity and quality designed with love by the community for the community. First up, we have our anime-inspired coloring books. These books feature beautifully crafted anime outlines printed on premium 140 GSM paper. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, these pages are a dream to color on. Next, check out our premium bookmarks. Made from 280 GSM laminated sheets, they're not just sturdy but also vibrant and stylish, perfect for marking your spot in your favorite comic or novel. For sketchers and creatives, we offer plain 4x6-inch notebooks. Crafted from 180 GSM paper, they're ideal for coloring, sketching, or jotting down ideas. The thick pages let you use both sides effortlessly. One of our top-selling products is our comic panel set, a pack of 12 panels printed on premium 180-200 GSM paper, offering comic-making enthusiasts the perfect canvas to bring their stories to life. Earlier this year, we hosted an exciting workshop at New Horizon Public School in Indiranagar, Bangalore. The kids had an incredible time creating their own comics, and their imaginative drafts now proudly adorn our cafe. Let me show you a few pages designed by these talented students. You'll see their creative comic templates displayed side by side with our blank templates, showcasing the amazing possibilities our panels offer. And don't miss our 4x6-inch coloring sheets, designed by talented artists from our community. Every sheet you color supports the artist who created it, as they receive royalty and in-house cafe credits for each sale. Soon, we'll take this a step further by recognizing these artists on our social media platforms and website, celebrating their creativity and contributions. What makes our in-house stationery truly special is our community-driven approach. The designs for our coloring sheets, notebook covers, and more come from artists and designers of all ages and backgrounds. By purchasing our paper stationery, you're supporting a culture of creativity and skill sharing. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video and share this video with your designer friends. Their next design could be featured here. Let's build a culture where creativity knows no bounds. See you soon at the Comics Cafe.